Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using some nautical rope and this cardboard box from Dollar Tree. I needed 2 packs of the nautical rope. I started by hot gluing it around the outside of the cardboard box. And I'm not continuing to wrap it around because I want it to look all uniform in the front. So I trim it up in the back where they meet and hot glue it. And then I continue that process until the outside is covered. I then flip it over and hot glue some more of the rope on the bottom. Next, I cut some floral foam down to size and hot glue that inside the box. And then hot glue some Spanish moss onto that foam. I then cut pieces off this eucalyptus pick, which is from Walmart, and I just placed them inside that foam. I also got these eggs from Walmart, and I cut them down a little bit and placed them inside the foam as well. Next, I'll be taking this wired jute that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm wrapping it in a little loop, and then take the jute and wrap it around itself so it'll stay into place. Then leave a long section of that wired jute down. Just kind of eyeball it to see where I'm going to need it to be sticking out of the greenery. Then trim that and make another one, just holding it up to that first one to get the size the same. And when you trim up the wire jute, it tends to start falling off the wire. So I take this tacky glue and brush it on the end where I had trimmed that up and then twist it around so it stays into place. Then I'm just kind of getting the shape how I want it of the ears. And then I do the same thing to the next one. And the last thing I do is just place those inside that foam as well. That is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.